I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you a test problem on trigonometric equations. Now the question here is sin 2x minus 1 times cos 2x minus half equals to 0 where x is between 0 and 2 pi. So we need to solve this equation. That means find the possible values of x. Now in this question we are already given the factored form. So when we are saying sin 2x minus 1 times cos 2x minus half is 0, that means the solutions could be sin 2x minus 1 equals to 0 or cos 2x minus half equals to 0, right? So both will give us a set of solutions which we can include in our answer, correct? So that is how we need to solve it. Now sin 2x equals to half really means that sin 2x minus 1 equals to 0 means sin 2x equals to 1. Now there is a very interesting thing which you need to understand. That is, we are given domain which is from 0 to 2 pi for x. If I multiply both by 2, then what do I get? I get 2x is greater than equal to 0 and less than equals to 4 pi. Now that is a catch in this question. You have to write all possible solutions from 0 to 4 pi for 2x. Do you understand? So here we got sin 2x equals to 1. As you know, sin 2x wave could be drawn kind of like this. Let me sketch. It becomes easier, right? So it becomes easier. So that is one wave, right? So this is the other wave. So when we say sin 2x is equal to 1, we know it is equals to 1 at one of these values, which is within the domain of 0 to 2 pi. But 2x is our argument, right? Not just x. So we have to take solutions till 4 pi. So we have to include this solution also. That means we have two solutions here. That is 2x is equal to, that value you know is pi by 2, right? And this value which comes after 2 pi plus pi by 2. So one is pi by 2 for us when this is true. And the other one is after 2 pi, right, which is 2x equals 2. So we are checking that part. So 2 pi plus pi by 2. That is one part, right, which you have to consider. The second part is that sin x is positive 1. Okay, so that is what we need to calculate. So from here we can find what x is, right? So x is equals to pi by 4, or x is equals to, when you add them up you get 5 pi, right? 2 times 2, 4. We get 5 pi by 4. So these are two possible solutions from the first factor, right? This is very important for you to understand. Now the second part is cos of 2x equals to half. So here also we will apply the same strategy. But remember that cos is positive in two quadrants. So that is, all are positive here, and cos is positive in fourth quadrant, right? Let's write down the cos rule. So we are expecting two answers. One here, the other one in this quadrant, correct? That too in first cycle of 2 pi. And then the other cycle, right? So in this particular case, what we really have is a situation kind of like this. Let me sketch a squeezed in model here. So let us say this is two waves, right? So it's kind of important for us to draw two waves, since 2x, right? 2x up to 4 pi, right? So here half, when we say, we are looking for a solution which is kind of here. Let us say this is half for us. So these are all the possible values for us, correct? So that means to whatever we get in this quadrant, we have to add 2 pi to get other two values also. Okay? So that is how you should be looking at it. So these two from the first set and these two from the next 2 pi. Okay? So cos of half, you also remember we could use standard triangles, special triangle I mean, which gives you half, or you can use the calculator So we know 1, 2 square root of 3, and that is pi by 3, right? So we get pi by 3 as the acute angle, or if you want, you can use shift cos inverse 1 divided by 2 equals to, so you get pi by 3, correct? So either way, you get the same answer. So in first 2 pi, possible solutions for 2x are what? So 2x is equals to pi by 3, that is 1. The second one is from here to here, correct? Right? So that is pi by 2 pi minus pi by 3. So this is 2 pi minus pi by 3. Is that okay? Which is 5 pi by 3. So you get 5 pi by 3. So these are in first. And then so we got here one value which is pi by 3, correct? The other value which is 5 pi by 3. Now this one is 2 pi more than, so plus 2 pi, correct? To get that value. So this value will be, if you add 2 pi, 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So it is 7 pi by 3. And to this place you have to add 2 pi to get to this place. So we get 7 pi by 3, and when you add 2 pi here, you get 2 times 3 is 6, 6 plus 5, 11 pi by 3. So these are 4 different solutions for cos 2x equal to 12. So that is very important. So x will be equals to half of these, which is pi by 6, 5 pi by 6, 7 pi by 6, and 11 pi by 6, right? So we can now write down our answer as combination of both, which is pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, and these answers, pi by 6, 5 pi by 6, 7 pi by 6, and 11 pi by 6. I hope you understand and appreciate what we have done here. So remember, if the domain is 0 to 2 pi for x, then domain for 2x will be 0 to 4 pi, and that's critical to understand, right? So if you don't include that, then you miss half of the answers. That will cost you a lot of marks in the test. So take care, all the best, subscribe to my videos, and enjoy. Thank you.